Hello my dear beautiful friend, welcome back to my channel. This video I am explain get archive Instagram post back. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open the Instagram app and make sure to you can log into your current account. After that, at the bottom right corner you can find your profile icon. Simply tap on it to open the page. At the top right center, you can see the three-line hamburger menu icon. Simply click on it to open the settings and activity page. After that, scroll down slowly. You can find the your activity section. Simply tap on it. From the menu, scroll again. You can find the archive option. Click to open the archive page, and here you can make sure to select the post option. Now you can see all of the archive posts listed there. Simply find the exact post. If you want to recover, simply tap on the post to open the full view. After that, tap on the two-line icon at the top right corner. Here you can see various options. Look for the show on profile option. Simply click on it one and confirm by tapping again and wait to complete the rest of the post. After it done, to check it, go back to the profile page, and this time you can see the archive post recovered there easily. Okay, that's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. Like this video.